Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we have the ultimate mobile gaming controller from 8BitDo. Now, I have an Xbox and I kind of wanted a at-home portable device. And this, when I saw that 8BitDo created this, I kind of wanted to check it out. It looked very nice for the price tag. It was only $45. So it wasn't a big risk buying this. But at the same time, like, how quality can this be? So if you want to play any type of games on your phone with a controller, so you can actually have a button to click, well, let's see what this thing has to offer.
All right, guys, so let's get to it and let's open this bad boy and see what we get for $45. See if this thing is worth the money. Put this right there. All right, so. Oh, it's a very nice packaging. Very, very nice packaging. Before we open it, I gotta tell you, it's got some weight to it. Before we open it, what's in the box? Just a simple manual over here and a USB-C for charging. All right, so no biggie. Now, on to the granddaddy of it's the ultimate mobile gaming controller. Listen, I didn't name this thing, so this better hold up. So let's take a look real quick what we have. Actually, you know what? Let me get one of my lights a little bit better. There we go. Let me get one of these lights here. Oh my God, you guys. So first of all, you know what? Hold on. Let me get the Xbox controller so we can actually compare a little bit. So got the Xbox controller just so we can compare in a second. But until then, let's talk about this, the quality and what's going on over here. So this, oh my God, it stretches out quite a bit. The mechanism itself, the stretching mechanism, it's very sturdy. It's got a good spring to it. Very good spring. So that's actually very nice. This is a rubber piece. Got some kind of probably the 8BitDo's. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has these things on it. It's got the pattern. It's got the pattern on the back, which is a nice touch. So anyway, so these are the Hall effect sticks. So which means they're pretty good. They shouldn't have any stick drift or anything like that. This little guy, I don't mind that. I actually don't mind it not being the circle how the Xbox thing is. I kind of don't mind it being the separate, but I don't know. It is what it is. It's not that big of a deal. The buttons feel very clicky, very good and clicky. You got the triggers up top. So, and you got two buttons in the back. Got two buttons in the back. Now, the one thing that I was afraid of when I was buying it, the handles looked very small. The handles looked very small. So I'm like, ooh, how is it gonna be in the hand? But in all honesty, in the hand, it feels really good. But anyway, let's check it out a little closer. Let's check it out a little closer so you can literally see what we're dealing with here. These sticks feel fantastic. So do the buttons. We're about to compare them to the Xbox controller in a second. Don't worry. We are about to compare them in 1 second. These buttons in the back, kind of nice. This is turning out to be a fantastic little controller, you guys. I'm already sold on this. All right, so let's compare to the Xbox controller. So it's a little bit different. Obviously, the handles of the controller over here on the Xbox controller come a little bit further down so you can grip it better. But this is actually not bad. This is not bad. This has to be thick because you're putting a phone in here. So it has to be this thick. If they prolong the bottoms here, that would be super long. But look at it. They're literally they are almost identical. I don't want to say almost identical, but damn, almost identical. They're really, really close. From the top, so you can see the triggers. The triggers look a little bit different than the Xbox controller triggers, and we'll get to that in a second. the bottom. Look, it looks like they worked with the Xbox design team and they took everything they could from the Xbox controller. This is like basically an Xbox controller turned into a Bluetooth controller that you can play mobile games on. I mean, this is incredible, you guys. This is so quality. Like when I feel this one and this one, if I had my eyes closed, I couldn't tell the difference. I'm not even kidding. I feel like this controller might be a little bit heavier than this. Not by much. They're pretty equal, but yeah, I feel like the controller, but this has two AA batteries in it too. But this, of course, has the battery in it. Whatever. This controller is a little bit heavier, but you know, of course, you're putting a phone in here, so this is going to be a situation. I'm recording on my phone right now, so I won't be able to show you guys exactly how that looks. But either way, let's get to the buttons and let's see how they all click so you can see what we're talking about. All right, check this out. This is the Xbox controller. I prefer the click on this. I prefer the click on the 8BitDo. The whole stick effects, they're like almost identical. I can't tell the difference between the sticks. In the sticks, I cannot tell the difference. Now, the D-pad. This is quite a bit quieter. Quite a bit quieter than this. What is going on? Why are Xbox controller buttons so loud? This has to be something. This has to be on purpose. There's nobody making. They're like, you guys, what are we doing? I'm gonna wake up the baby doing this. Come on now. This feels good. All right, let's check out the. All right. Not that anybody's banging like this. Come on now, we all are. You guys, come on. This, who ate the 8BitDo guys, I'm getting another one of their controllers. I don't know which one yet. Probably one of the for the PlayStation, if they make one. But I don't care what other controller. I'm gonna pick another one. I'm so impressed with the quality of this thing that for $45, this is incredible. When I put my phone in here, and it's going to be crazy. Like I'm literally going to be able to play all my games on the fly. I mean, at home. The thing is, it's like the only reason why I'm buying this is because we have a toddler. And you can't play whatever you want on the TV, or I don't have the chance to play. We don't have the chance to play whatever we want. Like we just don't have any game time anymore. And once in a while, it would just be nice at the end of the night to sit on the couch with a cocktail and just click a couple games real quick, just for shits and giggles. You know what I mean? Like I'm not trying to be anything. I just want a couple games here and there. And the fact that you can play the Xbox Game Pass, and that's what we pay for. That's our online, is the Game Pass. So you can connect that to the iPhone, click it in here, and you can just continue playing the games you're already playing. I'm sorry, that's kind of money, you guys. This, I want to say, feels better than this controller does. Like, come on. This is crazy, you guys. These guys, this 8BitDo guys did a fantastic job making this controller. I'm actually I'm super happy about this. It's for $45. Like, come on now. These days, you can't get anything of quality for $45. It just is what it is. But these guys have managed to create something super cool. I'll let you know in the next video. You know what? I'm thinking about making a review for this thing. I'll play it for a couple weeks and see how it goes, and see how the buttons actually work out, see how the connection is, and battery life and things like that, like the grip, see if the grip actually feels. Now look,